everyone, I'm Dhruvi Jani. I'm year 3 student here at Rai University. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience, opinions and insights about life at Rai University. To start with academics, here at Rai University, they provide academic programs that are challenging and rigorous, but the professors are very supportive. The resources and the support we get from our professors, it is manageable. One thing we appreciate about Rai University is the flexibility that they provide us in choosing our career goals. The university provides us wide range of courses pertaining to our interests. It not only helps with academics but using our career goals. The Rai University provides a vibrant campus life with various student organization, events and clubs. Whether you are interested in sports, arts or music or social causes, there is something for everyone here. Campus is well equipped with modern facilities like libraries, computer labs and recreational areas. The university also provides excellent student services including counseling, career guidance and health services. Another advantage of Rai University is its location. It has a lush green campus and a nurturing environment. The university also offers easy access to transportation, making it easy for students to travel to and from campus. Overall, I highly recommend Rai University for students who are looking for a challenging yet rewarding academic experience, a vibrant campus life, and a place that offers plenty of opportunities for personal and professional growth.